Beechmont, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dave Mays about to go behind the rain. Clear.
If I am only a shallow motif, I know I don't belong. But you won't really see the real me before you hear my songs. Cause I am lonely, but don't mistake me. Think that I ain't more than what you would have gathered from a first glance. More often than not, I'm tricky to understand. Anonymous anomaly with no apology. An oddity with a division of psychology. My inner demons are riddled with dichotomies of Ripley's, believe it or not, ideology. Striving to find the right philosophy, all the while fine-tuning the life policies. Intercepted on the regular, constantly, as if the interjections are involuntary. And I'd love to think that I ain't let it bother me, but everywhere I go, the self-doubt follow me. If I am only a shallow motif, I know I don't belong. But you won't really see the real me before you hear my songs. Cause I am lonely, but don't mistake me, I think that I ain't strong. I know you think you know me, but you don't know me, and you have got me wrong. No wonder I'm nervous and anxious when all I see is a world full of madness. Early impressions, knee-jerk reactions, trivial materials that serve as attachments. About to lose my brain to migraines as my faint interest wanes and migrates. Seems to me we all weak at the knees and eager to please somebody we can never appease.